Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon. I'm Azura Binti Osman from Sultan Azura Shah Polytechnic. Today I will present my idea project titled Development of Energy Monitoring and Controlling System toward Energy Efficiency for Smart Campus. So why do I choose project application at Smart Campus? It is because the Smart Campus has become the main agenda of Ministry of Higher Education by targeting its implementation to all public universities by 2020. It will create a new phenomenon with the concept of smart economy. Therefore, measures to save energy and save money are the main things that need to be emphasized in the management of education. This idea innovation describes an IoT application energy monitoring and controlling system for smart campus, which help people to monitor and control the energy use in the building, even if people are miles away from the building. So this is achieved by developing a system by harnessing in power of IoT to provide a flexible and scalable architecture of building automation. So now we're going to problem statement. What is the problem with the existing monitoring system? So most monitoring products available are only applied at home or private building, but very less applied in government building due to high cost of installation involving internal parties. So most products are available only to monitor but not for control on off. So much research recommended IoT-based real-time monitoring system to demonstrate optimal energy consumption, but the problem of an inaccurate meter in the existing system reduced the performance of the system itself. The existed system did not alert the user on the maximum energy usage, which will cause overuse and may not help the energy saving initiative. To overcome this problem, an innovation idea has been produced as figure 1. So to develop this idea innovation, IoT waterfall methodology will be used. It consists of identification of requirement, discover, design of the system, system development and system testing. So it is required by energy manager and employee in building service responsible for maintaining building. A set of requirements were identified. For the first problem, inaccurate meter energy, high cost, and identifying pattern to check power user that causing problem from the malfunctioning hardware or waste of electricity. So the requirement product will real-time monitoring of energy consumption or low interval while sending data make it easy to identify problematic equipment and saving electricity. And another one requirement is low cost with at least 90% accuracy. Problem number 2 is with a different environment, there are different network infrastructure. So in most common cases, in most common case, the available infrastructure is Wi-Fi, which can have many problems such as short distance or loss of signal strength when crossing wall. So the requirement is wide area network with low frequency. So this idea innovation use an Arduino MKR 1300 connected to current transformer sensor with power consumption passing through the main cable. The LoRa gateway connected to the router and a LoRa server allowed to communicate between the sensor and the server using two different protocols. The LoRaWAN protocol is used to establish a connection between the end device and the LoRa gateway. HTTPS connect the router to the web server or application server. From the figure 1, there are 4 layers that describe the operation of this innovation idea. The description for each layer is as a below explanation. For the first device layer, consists of end device, means Wi-Fi module, and CT device. The end device uses computing approach to collect data and then send it to the LoRa gateway. Layer number 2 is communication layer, consists of LoRa gateway, receive uplink from end device and redirect that data to one or more application server, also sending downlink to end device. Third layer is data layer, application server and database. Receive data from the gateway, process the data and store it in a database while computing with end device through the LoRa gateway. And the last layer is information layer. For information layer, consists of dashboard and analysis. The data collected is used to create a dashboard that presents information in the form in detail graphic. The analysis done using Power BI dashboard to better understand the data. Now we go to methodology that used to analyze the real-time data. The analysis done using Power BI dashboard alongside Python to better understand the graphic data. The analysis need to achieve the objective of this proposed project, which to predict energy consumption pattern for saving and maintenance in smart campus building as preventive action. Okay. So next, what is the expected impact of this idea product? Expected result can be divided into 3 parts involved to innovation system, social well-being, and environment. So this innovation has the potential to be commercialized in educational building, government building, residential, shop building to optimize energy consumption by reducing operating costs, labor costs, and GHG emission. This idea innovation has been developed in line with the National Industry Policy 4.0 to produce a more efficient energy monitoring and controlling system in an educational building. So the main purpose is to know the pattern of energy consumption to avoid wastage and plan energy saving towards energy efficiency through IoT application. This idea innovation has a potential to support international and national policy to facilitate access to clean energy research and technology, including energy efficiency, and promote investment in energy infrastructure and clean energy technology. The application of this innovation idea will also contribute to the reduction of building utilities operation and labor costs provided by TVET educational institution compared to use the existing method. Through the product development process, it will provide opportunity for professional TVET to expand and contribute on developing knowledge in energy sustainability and IR 4.0. It is also mean professional TVET able to understand various issues on upcoming new technology application and also increase their public awareness, which contribute to the greater impact on the society, economy, and education sector. For environmental aspect, the development of this innovation is expected to be done towards sustainability development goal 17, which cover SDG 7, SDG 8, and SDG 17. So for SDG 7, affordable and clean energy goal, which increase use of fossil fuel without action to mitigate greenhouse gases, will have global climate change implication. But with this idea innovation, the usage of electricity will be monitored to avoid wastage electricity that contribute to climate change mitigation and disaster risk reduction. For SDG 8, decent work and economic growth, when this project will prepare the IR 4.0 workforce in the industry, which has capability to integrate the conventional electrical system with IR 4.0 technology. For SDG 17, partnership for the goal, when involvement of various level entities area in the development of the project. In this project, when the product involved, there is a partnership between electrical communication team and IoT team to ensure goals are achieved. Now we're going to the achievement. The achievement of this idea still on progress. The idea of this innovation has been not yet implemented and in the process of applying for research fund TARGS 2021. This project will be collaborating with UTM and industry. And the last part is conclusion. In the line with the vision and mission of Ministry of Higher Education, the project finding will recommend the Malaysian government to organize an energy monitoring and controlling system that can facilitate person in charge of the building to reduce electricity expenditure in Malaysia Public University towards development of smart campus university. So that's it from me. Assalamualaikum.